Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have the Huawei Watch GT4 and I'll show you how to pair this watch with an Android phone. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the crown button until the Huawei logo appears, then release and wait for it to boot. Select your language by swiping up and down on the screen, then tap to confirm. Open a web browser on your phone and go to appgallery.huawei.com. Tap the download button to download the App Gallery installer. Once downloaded, tap Open to install it and, if prompted, allow installation from unknown sources. Open the App Gallery, tap Next, Agree, and allow permissions. Search for Huawei Health and tap Install. Allow the necessary permissions and install the app. Open the Huawei Health app, select your service region, and tap Next. Agree to the terms and allow permissions. Tap Devices, then Add Device, and allow location permissions. The app will scan for nearby devices. Tap link next to your watch. Log in with your Huawei ID or register if you don't have one. After logging in, go to Devices and add the device again. Tap link. Confirm the pairing on both the watch and the phone. Choose your update preferences and tap Continue. Enable notifications if desired and allow notification access. Customize notification settings for specific apps and tap Done. Once you see the device page, the watch is paired with your phone. That's how you pair this watch with an Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving